We're here at Dugard Machine Tools, and Chris here is going to tell me all about the SMEC machines. But for starters, you've got quite a few of these in stock ready to go, haven't you, Chris?
Yeah, we've got 10 machines at the moment. We've got more coming in as well.
Wow, okay, what are the sizes of the machines you've got?
Goes all the way from a 6-inch chuck to, a 26-inch chuck, so massive variety.
Huge variety, and I'm going to tell you about some case studies in just a few moments' time, because people are talking about the depths of cut that they can make on these. They call these machines the beasts, right? So it's a great name. So tell me about the spec of some of these.
So this one comes in at 16 tons, 21-inch chuck, power-driven tooling, real beast of a machine.
It is. It's a heavy machine now, and it's boxed guideways, isn't it?
Yeah, really big box guideways on this. 6 points of contact, so yeah, really sturdy.
And that's what people are saying as well, the lack of vibration, and in turn what that's doing is helping with better tool life as well.
That's it, better tool life, faster machining, yeah, that's what everybody wants.
And the control systems, you've got a variety here, haven't you?
Yeah, so this one's a FANUC, but we also have the option of Siemens as well.
And how would you personally sum up this range of machines?
Well, if somebody wants a sturdy, fast, capable turning centre, then this is the one to go for.
Well, don't just take our word for it, because you've got many customers out there. Conrad Nurk from Nurk Precision says he doesn't even want people to buy the machine as it's too powerful. He wants to kick the competition out of the way. He's making bigger, more powerful cuts. He loves the power in the turret when milling and drilling. Siemens control, he says, is a pleasure to work with. Graham at Greyline, he loves his machine. He said he's a subcontract machine shop, and he loves the confidence that he's got in the machine, saying it never skips a beat. And Wilson Tooling, Darren calls the machine a beast, as I mentioned earlier. Quick example of a depth of cut he's making on EN24, 130mm diameter, 4.5mm either side, so a total of a 9mm depth of cut. And he just says the machine is so big, it's so strong that he gets no vibrations in the machine, and then that helps with tooling as well. So some great reviews.
Yeah, well that's what we expect from these machines.
There you go, and available in stock, and as Chris has just told me, 10 machines in stock. So do contact Dugard Machine Tools if you're interested in a turning centre.